Good morning, students. A warm greeting. RPS Group of Schools welcome you in online classes of science. Today, we will discuss the question answers of the chapter Sources of Food. As in yesterday's module, we discussed the checkpoints and objective type questions. Today, in this module, we will further discuss the back exercises, the question answers, and what's in it. Very short answer type questions. Why do we need food? The answer is we need food to remain alive and active. Second question. The leaves of which two plants have medicinal property? The answer is tulsi and neem. Which food items are rich in iodine? The food items which are rich in iodine are fishes, oysters, crabs, lobster, prawns, and some algae. What is the source of tea and coffee? Dried and cured leaves of tea plant and dried seeds of coffee plant. Question 5. Why is a house sparrow called omnivorous? A house sparrow is called omnivorous because it feeds on insects as well as seeds. Name the 5 food items that can be eaten raw. The answer is radish, carrot, onion, tomato, and turnip. Now let's move on to short answer type questions. The first question is, what are spices? Give a brief account on them. The answer to this question is, spices are food ingredients which add flavor and aroma to our food. They have little or no nutritional value but make the food tasty. They may be dry seeds, buds, fruits, or bark of a plant. For example, cumin, turmeric, etc. The second question is, name the food products obtained from animals. Food products such as meat, eggs, milk, and milk products such as cheese, curd, and honey are obtained from animals. Third question, which animals are called omnivores? In which category will you put yourself? The answer is the animals which eat both plants and flesh of other animals are called omnivores. We are also omnivores. Fourth question. Describe about herbivorous animals in short with examples. Herbivores, like horses and cows, have broad and flat hind teeth to grind their food such as grass, black gram, etc. Nuts and grain-eater herbivores like rabbits and squirrels have sharp front teeth to gnaw their food. Fifth question. Give 2 reasons why food is necessary for all living things. Food gives energy to body to carry out all living activities such as respiration, excretion, etc. And the second point is it keeps us healthy and gives strength to fight against diseases. Now let's discuss long answer type questions. The first question is, what are ingredients of food? Name the ingredients needed for the preparation of omelette, dal, and biryani. Materials required to prepare food are called its ingredients. For example, to prepare potato curry, potato, onion, tomato, oil or ghee and spices are its ingredients. Ingredients for preparing omelette. Egg, onion, tomato, oil or ghee, and salt are required to prepare omelette. Ingredients for dal. You need the required pulses, salt, turmeric powder, chilies, onion, tomato, oil or ghee, and spices. Ingredients for biryani. You need rice, vegetables like tomato, potato, etc., oil or ghee, salt, spices, and water. The second question. List the two broad categories of food based on their sources. Give 4 examples of each category. The two categories of food based on their sources are food obtained from plants and food obtained from animals. The examples of each category is, in case of plants, rice, wheat, radish, and potato. And the food obtained from animals, the examples are meat, eggs, fishes, and milk. Third question. Group the animals on the basis of their food habits, giving 2 examples of each. The groups of animals on the basis of their food habits are herbivores, they are plant-eating animals. Examples are horse, deer, etc. Carnivores, they are flesh-eating animals. Examples are lion, tiger, etc. Omnivores, they are plant and flesh-eating animals. Examples are bear, crow, human, etc. Give reasons for the following. The first one is, honey is important for health. The answer to this statement is, honey is important for health because it is nutritious as it contains sugar, minerals, and some enzymes. It is easy to digest and has antibacterial and medicinal properties. The next statement is, scavengers are important for cleaning the earth. The answer is, scavengers are important for cleaning the earth because they eat the flesh of dead animals. People living in coastal areas get enough of iodine and proteins in their diet. The answer to the statement is, people living in coastal areas thrive on fishes and seafoods such as oyster, crab, lobster, prawn, and some algae. These foods are rich source of iodine and proteins. Now let's talk about hot questions. The first question is, milk you get in a pouch is not fresh. It is made free of microbes by heating it at 70 degrees Celsius and then cooling it instantly. Can you name the process? The answer to this question is pasteurization. The second question, why are sprouts considered more nutritious? Sprouts are considered more nutritious because they are a rich source of proteins and vitamin B complex. Third hot question is, spices do not have any food value, but they are an important part of the food. Why? Spices add flavor and aroma to our food and make it tasty. They also have medicinal properties. That's all for this module. Thank you, students. Stay safe, stay healthy.